Hi Benebabes, my name is Cole, also known as Cole's World, and today I'm here with Benefit to show you guys my brow routine using the Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm showing you how to go from day to night or Benebabe to Benebaddie. I'm gonna be going in with the shade gray. This is a great shade if you have cool tone hair, like if you have colored hair, if you're gray or gray by choice. So I'm gonna start by brushing up my hairs. This is gonna show me where I need to add a little bit of the color, and this is perfect because this is a micro tip and I can just really get into those areas and define my brow a little bit more. I'm gonna go in first with defining the top, keeping it really light and soft, and then going back and brushing up just to disperse the product a little bit more, keeping it nice and natural. Applying this here cleans up the brow perfectly and gives you an instant brow lift, and tapping it out also just keeps it nice and flawless and smooth. And there you have it, you are now officially a Benebabe in just 2 easy steps. But Diva, the night's not over, let's turn it up a notch and now turn you into a Benebaddie. So now I'm gonna go in with your favorite brow pencil in my favorite shade, gray. I'm gonna go in by defining underneath the brow, and this is gonna give it a little bit more drama. We love a good diva with some drama. So now I'm gonna brush down the hairs just so we can see the brow a little bit better. We can really get in there with this precise tip. Add the hair-like strokes to keep it still looking like fluffy. And then just extending the tail a little bit more, kind of applying just a little bit more pressure, just so it is a little bit more bold. Moving on to keep my brows nice and in place, 24-hour brow setter. This is your insurance for whatever your brows get into tonight. And there you guys have it, 2 looks using my favorite Precisely My Brow Pencil. You guys can find me, Cole's World, on all social media platforms. Thank you so much, Benefit, for having me on your channel today, and I will see you guys in the next one.